Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCQ Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty as we have expiry tomorrow, that is 4th of March 2021. Guys, in case you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates, and please join the Telegram channel as well. I've shared the link in the description box. Now this is the Nifty spot chart, and the most important thing what I have observed today is it has formed a double bottom and it has given a breakout. Now let me draw the double bottom first so that you understand what it is. This was a double bottom, guys, and in fact it has closed above the critical point of double bottom. Let me mark that as well. This was a critical point, that was 15176.50, and prices have closed well above this. So it's a breakout on double bottom. And the next important thing what I see is the resistance, that is today's high. So today's high is going to be a critical point for tomorrow's move, and let us mark the other resistance as well. The other resistance we have somewhere around 15371.45, and the next one is at all-time high, that is 15431. Now for tomorrow I'll also mark some supports which is very important. Let me go ahead and draw that. This is going to be one support. This is going to be very important support, that is 15065.40, which was almost near today's open. This is going to the first support, and the next support what I see is somewhere around 14977.20. Okay, now let me go to 15-minute chart and explain you what my plan is for tomorrow. Guys, this is a simple 15-minute chart what I'm drawing here, and let me go ahead and draw a trend line first and see what is happening with the trend. Always go with the trend because trend is your friend. Never go against the trend. Yes, I have drawn a trend line here. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now the first thing for tomorrow's upward move, we got to focus on today's high. Today's high is somewhere around 15273.15, which is going to be very important for tomorrow's move. In case price sustains above 15273.15, which is today's high, then we can expect prices to move up almost around 100 points. This is the target what I'm looking at, 90 to 100 points, that is 15371.45, and above this it can hit all-time high, that is 15431.75. So tomorrow if we have a good expiry, then yes, we can see a big moment on the upside. Today's high is going to be a key point because that's a resistance, and in case price breaks above this and sustains above this, yes, we can expect prices to move up. Now the other thing on the downside is this point, that is 15176. In case price starts falling below this last candle, 15-minute candle low, that is 15236.30. I'll take this point also. I'll draw a line here, a horizontal line. Okay, now in case price opens below this and starts moving on the downside, I can maintain these targets, that is 15176, and below that we can see prices come and hit this support level 15065, because we also have a trend line here which can act as a support, and by the time the prices reaches here, probably we can also have this 50 moving average, which I have always explained you how important it is. It can come somewhere near the trend line, and prices can take support at this level and then bounce back as well. So on the downside, this will be the very important area, that is 15065, because there's a trend line passing and also a horizontal support we have. So in case price doesn't breach this, then there can be a bounce. In case price breaches this, then we can see 14977. On the downside, the move can be limited only till the trend line, but on the upside we don't have any limits. It can go up to all-time high as well, because we have seen a very good bullish candle today. So this point, that is 15273.15 and 15236.30, is going to be very important for tomorrow's move. This will decide what side we can take the trade. So let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty performs tomorrow. Hopefully Nifty, we can make some money. This is what I'm expecting. And guys, don't be greedy enough to have the targets so big. every 25 points you can start trailing your stop loss once it's trading in your direction, and you can go with a proper risk reward ratio by taking a stop loss, the risk of 20-25 points itself in Nifty. Even if you lose one trade, you can also go for second trade and try to make money there. The best thing you got to understand is a proper risk management is very important to be a winner while trading. Now let's go to Bank Nifty and see what our trading plan will be. Okay, in Bank Nifty I have drawn some zones. Usually while trading in Bank Nifty I usually use zones because that helps me a lot. Now though it is kind of double bottom formation, it has not broken the double bottom yet. It's not given a breakout. Let me show you what double bottom I'm talking about. This point, it has not given a breakout yet. This point will be very important to give a breakout. So the other important thing I want to show you here is the resistance points, and I'll explain you what is the reason prices have taken resistance here. It has rested here, and I'm not expecting a big move until and unless this zone breaks. Anywhere price closes above 680, 36,580 to 36,680. This is a future chart, let me tell you. Till price closes above 36,680, I won't be very bullish because this is the area from where prices have fallen before. You can see here, whenever prices have entered this zone, we have seen prices falling. You can see here prices have fallen from here. You can see a big fall, quick fall coming on the downside, and it has again resisted at this area and prices had gone down. The same thing has happened here. You can see here, came down below this, and next we have seen a gap down and prices had moved down. So this point where prices are holding currently, that is 36,580 and 36,680, this level is going to be very important resistance zone. Until and unless price closes above 36,680, I won't be expecting a big move. In case price closes above 36,680, guys, we can expect a big move coming tomorrow. We can expect a big move above 36,680. So the first important thing is price must close above 36,680 for a big move. In case price enters 36,580 to 36,680, you can take small trades because the range is only 100 points. Let me go to 15 minutes chart now. You can see here what has happened. As I've said you, this is very important resistance level, resistance zone, almost around 100 points, 36,580, 36,680. Close above this, price can move to 36,820 and 36,890 zone on the upside. Right, and once it closes above 36,890, we can see price moving to almost around 37,200, and it's almost around 400 to 500 points. That can be a big move, but initially we'll have resistance at 36,680 and 36,890. Right, and in case price starts falling below this level, that is 36,274, then we can expect prices move down to 50 moving average again. It can come down to almost this 50 moving average where it can take support as well, this 50 moving average. So below 36,274 we can expect 36,116 and 36,067, and below that you can see for 35,821 and 35,754. This is the simple plan what I have for tomorrow in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty performs tomorrow. I'll try to share my trades as well on my Telegram channel. Guys, if you're new to my Telegram channel, you can just join the group there. The link I've shared in the description box. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel so that you can regularly receive these kind of videos. Thanks for watching this, guys. Any doubts you can drop in a comment. I'll try to solve that. Alright guys, let's see tomorrow how Nifty and Bank Nifty performs, and all the best for tomorrow's trade.